aba Lions Club okuganira kwabo babandize n'abebembezi ba district age.
Nimpamya ngo natuza kwachivinga goals za Lions Club ezeri kuratera ko kubyara emiti already kitwatandikire kurinda byo buhangwa.
Nabwanyuma barambwire signature project yo kubyara emiti 200 aha district batyo barambura n'ebyoma ebyatirwa hirwa rya Kyabenda Health Center. Hona batongwize bitara bitano no kubyara emiti 189 ahishomero erya Kyabenda Primary School. Okurujira har mukuru wa Lions Club obwa hati bagenderire kwera abatarukwebasa okutungura ebyo buhangwa hamwe n'ebyamagara.
Abo kubatwatanga club ya Kahunje eri members 34 bona bashashwire kandi bona bari reportingirwa. Nangwa ababiri berekere cyetengo bakabari 52 konkari ya 52 34 nibo base kushanga ubundi ruhanga basize kubone sente zo kushashura
ndenda nkukuba twasa ofisi yetu ya Kahunje reka baragamba hari Lion Kamwenje district babe baragamba gateway eri Kahunje.
I'm so excited to serve community through different ways, like treating the sick, conserving the environment, and helping the less privileged.
Abantu abarukwika 32 babasize kwegita Lions Club. Chechitongore cha Lions Club of Mbarara Central erizoba cyahereza y'obushaji bwebyo kurya ahirebero ry'abana abino burwiro bwa kansa erya Blessed Child Foundation erukushango muri Andrews Kachika Mbarara City North Division kandi ireberera hati rigina abana nabana abino burwire.
Yatuletera ebintu bingi, yatuletera toiletries, food and nko kumanya okubiri kureberera abana and supporting big families and feeding them on a daily 3 meals. We really needed that support.
Aren Trishana Turinda or District Governor 411 Lions Club of Uganda nuwe yabaryo mujanyi mukuru aha mukorogo kando wayebembera okuhereza ibyo kuryebi
aha oba abana kushira tureberera abana kuruga 0 years mpaka emyaka 15. Obuzibu tukira kufunamu kukuna n'abagambire shanga ngo nturisa abana because capacity yitu ntuba twine abana 24 burizo abakwijo mu makagitu where we have to provide for them lunch, breakfast, lunch and supper.
Itwenkaba Lions Nutrition supplying some of the food items konka even kujangu Kampala nindeba yo branch Blessed Child iturikwatanisha nayo munonga nkaba Lions also from Kampala. Itwenkaba Lions nituleta mu buyambi kandi supporting naha pediatric cancer ward in Mulago nitwatanisa n'abamulago.
Omubinde bibaye jomberamo harimo kubyara emiti ahitendekere rya Mbarara University of Science and Technology ahari Chihumuro aho itendekero rya bahiritaka ngo bakoreho mwanya gw'abeji barije kugumana bahumuramo.
Twineho umwanya gwitu ugutwashabire aba university kugira ngo batwikirize tutandikeho leisure park ningashi y'abana bakubasa kuhumurira ukashanga abana bashuma bakazasi imiti kuko mukumanya yuko kushuma bakahumuriraho.
Nde Edwin Ram na Anthony Twine